Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. So if you're new here, thank you for joining me. Here I talk about anything and everything that has to do with yarn and crochet, and sometimes everything in between. Please stay if you're new and hit that subscribe button. And if you are a returning friend of mine, thank you for coming back and spending time with me as well. So everybody give this video a like if you enjoy at the end. So today I'm going to show you the final yarns from, from Michael's reset that I purchased. They had some other ones, but they weren't really new. They were kind of just like new colors of ones that they had previously had before. So if you want to see the other yarns in Michael's 2022 fall reset, I'll put the links to those videos below. But I'm going to show you this one today. Is a Caron cake. Now, I do like Caron cakes a lot. So I purchased this online at Michael's. They do have them in store as well. They didn't at my store, so I had to purchase them online, but that's okay. So this Caron cake is not new, but they did get rid of it for about probably 3 years, and then they just brought it back this year. This is the Caron marble cake. Now, the marble cakes are very pretty. I have a few left from a few years ago when they had them. I always like it when they bring back Caron cakes. I think that's pretty cool. So why don't we go ahead and read about the Caron marble cake. Let's see. So these are 100% acrylic, and it says that you can machine wash and dry. It's surprising. A lot of the new yarns now are saying no, 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 which I have no idea why. So they classify this as a medium weight number 4. There we go. That's a nice 4 weight. Nice, nice, nice. Feels good too. Feels good. It's 8.5 ounces, 240 grams, 404 yards, or 369 meters. So you got about 404, we'll just say 400 yards here, of a medium weight number 4, 100% acrylic. Caron marble cakes. Well, they had 5 colors, so I did get all 5 to show you. Smells clean. It always smells clean when I buy from Michael's, so I don't have a problem with that. Now, it is scarfable. But like I said, I've had these before when they had them a few years ago, and then they brought them back. I will say though, I think the colors that they had a few years ago, they had quite the lineup then, and now they only have 5. I think they were better back then. They were more, darker, more vibrant colors. I noticed these are quite, I don't know, muted. So a couple of them are a little darker, but quite muted, you can see. But it's still very pretty. It's pretty much, this one's called French vanilla. It's pretty much gray with a little bit with white and a little bit of light pink that it's so light it almost looks white. So that's the color of the French vanilla. These might look familiar to you as well. They're kind of a dead ringer for mandala tweed stripes. Mandala tweed stripes. Pretty much similar. Different colors, but pretty much they're pretty much the same. You know what I mean? As far as the way they feel and the thickness of them. I don't know. This might be a little bit thinner. Actually, the Caron cakes might be a little bit thicker, but if you've used the mandala tweed stripes, this is going to be pretty similar. But I like that one, I guess. It's kind of muted, but it's not bad. So let's move on. I thought a couple of them look really similar, like almost like these two. So I thought that they sent me the same ones, but they didn't, because they looked so similar. So I'm gonna pull them out and I'll hold them up next to each other. I don't really see much of a difference in them, but we'll look at them. Okay, so this one the color is called Almond Ginger. Okay, I think I see the very, very little difference in them. So you do got a little bit of a ginger color right here. And it's some purple, some coral, some mauve, and a little bit darker purple. So these are striping cakes, then kind of marled together with the white. See that? And the other one that looks like identical almost, but I do see the difference, is called Champagne. Now, if you can see their difference, they're pretty much the same, other than this one has no brown. See that brown in the center? And this one has none of the dark purple. That's right there on the very edge. Other than that, they are very, very similar. I mean, like I said, when I got them, I thought they sent me two the same. I'm like, I don't know, I wanted to show everybody the colors, and they sent me the same, but yes, they are very, very similar. Not much difference in those two. But this one, again, is the Almond Ginger. It's the one that has that kind of like gingery color. And then the Champagne is the one that has a little bit more of brown in it, as opposed to this one doesn't have any brown. Otherwise, they're pretty much the same. those are so pretty though. I have two more to show you. Now these are a little bit darker in color, I guess. A little bit. This one's more purplish color, purplish pink, I guess. This one's called a Rosewater Plum. This might be a color they brought back. This looks similar to one I have already. I don't have it here. It's actually at my other house. I can't say for certain, but Rosewater Plum. So you got a few different colors of purple in there and a few different colors of pink. It's pretty. I like that one. I think that would turn out a real nice project. But actually, as pretty as these all are, I think my favorite one, and it's the last one, it's really quite surprising because it's not generally a color that I gravitate towards. Although I do love the color blue, it's just not one that is usually in my color of favorites. But this one would probably be my favorite this year. I guess because it's so different than the others. The others are just kind of so similar. This one really stuck out to be different. The color of this one is called a Blue Velvet. They have a Caron latte cake with that name too. I really like that one. So that is very pretty. You see the darker blue, a little bit of aqua blue, real light blue, medium blue, and like a bluish gray. Yeah, this one's definitely my favorite. Blue Velvet. It's appropriate name. So, you know, I don't ever really keep most of the yarn that I get. I just get it to show you. I probably will. I did get 2 balls of the blue. I think I'm going to keep it to maybe make a poncho or something this fall with, or some type of wrap, because it was my favorite of the bunch. So, okay, so let's talk about price on these real quick. These are $12.99. All the Caron cakes went up to $12.99 this year, but I did get a 20% discount code. I purchased online, and it's not hard. If you hear that noise in the background, I'm sorry. I have two dogs in here with me. It's not hard to get a coupon code for Michael's for 20% off, so it helped a little bit. It eased the pain a little bit. That's it on the yarns that I got to show you from Michael's this year. Remember to look below in the description box. You also see a link that I have hundreds of crochet tutorials. There'll be a link to all those. And check out all my other yarn videos. I got all Joanne's new yarns for the 2022 reset. Pretty much most of them. I gotta get a few more still, but and lots of other yarn, yarn content as well. So thanks everybody for talking yarn with me. You know that I love you all. Stay safe, okay? See you guys later.